Hi everyone, in this video, we will be going step by step on how to set up your brand new Mr. T-2 pretreatment machine. After you unbox your T-2, make sure that you have the following items: the waste tank and the box of supplies. Open up the box and you will find 4 bottles, the bottle holding bracket, this bag of supplies, and the user manual. First, take the waste tube out of the bag and plug one end into the back of the machine like this. Make sure to apply pressure to ensure a secure connection. Then take the other end and place it into the waste tank. Next, install the bracket using the bolts provided in the supply bag. There are 3 holes on the top and 3 holes on the bottom. The 3 holes on the top align with 3 larger holes that are used to get the screwdriver all the way through to the other end. You will find 6 corresponding holes on the left side of the machine. Once installed, place all 4 bottles into the bracket. Next, locate the 4 intake tubes on the left side of the machine. You will place each tube into each bottle that you just placed into the side bracket. To do this, first remove the filter at the end of the tube by pulling back the release lever. Then gently pull the tube out. Place that tube through one of the holes on the top of the bottle. Reattach the filter. Then screw the cap back onto the bottle. Repeat this process for all 4 bottles. Once complete, your setup should look like this. Take a look at the top. There are 4 valves, 1 for each bottle. When the valve handle is placed in the vertical position, that valve is open and ready for operation. Only 1 valve should be open at a time to prevent a mixture of different liquids. The bottle on the very right should be filled with distilled water, and the 3 bottles to the left can be your choice of different pretreatments. Now, go ahead and plug in the power to the back of the machine. Make sure the other end is plugged into a power source. Press the on switch at the back. Make sure the emergency stop button is not active by twisting it to the right, and then press the on button at the front to fully turn on your machine. To get started, you'll need to fill or prime the lines by removing all the air and filling them with liquid. Place the valve of your choice to the vertical position. Open the top lid of the machine. Take a bottle and place it against the right nozzle first. While holding the bottle, press the clean button at the front until you get a consistent spray of liquid coming out. Once you do, press the clean button again to stop the spray. The button will now turn red, indicating that the left nozzle will spray now. Repeat the process for the left nozzle. Now that you've primed the lines, you're ready to start pretreating.